What is it? What is it?
What is it?
It's right. What is it?
What is it?
It's a banana.
No.
It's a pizza.
No.
It's
A bin.
a bin. Yes, a bin or trash. A
Or
bin or
trash.
trash. Let's say the trash. No.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It's a trash.
It's a trash.
And what is it?
It's
It's the ocean. The sea or the ocean. Everybody. It's the ocean.
It's the ocean.
Right. The ocean.
The ocean.
The trash.
The trash.
The ocean.
The ocean.
Okay, and now let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. So let's go fishing. So here, the best way to do it, the most fun way to do it, is to attach a little magnet or things that stick to the fridge. You sometimes have. They're pretty flat. You can cut them and stick them here with glue or sticky tack or anything else you want. And then we're going to use a fishing rod, which is just a piece of wood or just even a string with a magnet at the end. You can make that at home. It's very easy. And we're going to try to fish, okay? So for this example, we only have 2 cards with magnets, okay? That's the fancy version. Who wants to play? Let me see. I want to play, please!
I want to play.
Okay, Alicia, you can play. So, I want to say, let's go fish! Let's go fish! Let's go fish! Let's go! Oh! Okay, look at it. What is it?
What is it?
it?
It's a tire.
Oh, a tire. So, a tire, we put it in the ocean?
No.
Let's repeat. Put it in the ocean.
Put it in the ocean.
No.
No.
Maybe we put it in the trash.
Put it in the trash.
Put it in the trash.
Put it in the trash. Put it in the trash.
Go on, Lisa. Put it in the trash.
Put it in the
Yeah, the tire is in the trash. Okay. Who wants to play?
Can I play, please?
Yes, you can. Okay. Go, Sheila. Go, Sheila. Let's go fishing.
Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing.
Okay. What is it?
What is it?
A shark.
A shark. So, put it in the trash or put it in the ocean?
Put it in the ocean.
Yes. Put it in the ocean. Put it in the ocean. Excellent. Good job. Okay. And now, well, it was just an example with the fancy method. I'm thinking another way you can do this is with Velcro. It also works. But when you don't have anything, you can just lay the counts out and students just pick one and see what they pick. Who wants to play?
I want to play, please.
Okay, yeah, go. Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. What is it?
What is it?
It's a hat.
A hat? So, put it in the ocean or put it in the trash?
Put it in the ocean.
Yes or no? No. Say, no, don't put it in the ocean. Don't put it in the ocean.
Put it in the trash.
Yes. Put it in the trash. Put it in the trash. There you go. And you can keep going and maybe you'll find, an octopus or a water bottle. Put it in the trash. Bye.
Bye.